Hello everyone, I'm Sonali and I'm joining from Jaipur, India. I participated in Outreachy round 14 and my project was about documenting how Zotero translators are developed. So can we have the screen share? Okay, so basically we have a service called Citoid that allows users to add citation to Wikipedias, and it has made it very easy for people to add citations through URLs and DOIs. Pretty easy because of the UI. Earlier, it was through adding code in the source. And this service uses Zotero translators. Zotero is a FOSS reference management system. These translators basically scrape websites and get their data and save them as JavaScript object, and that is used by Citoid. So the link is provided where you can see what the documentation covers. Can we switch to the next slide? So I'll just cover what all the documentation has. First, we go about knowing what Zotero translators are, and then for the people who would like to learn how to write translators through an example and skip all the tutorial, I have created a page that has a translator for Wikipedia blog, and then there is a section that covers all the concepts that are needed before you jump into writing code. And then we have all the methods that are basically used to write a translator. These are more or less static. There's this template that is used in all of the translators. Next. Moving ahead, we have a detailed explanation of a translator for MediaWiki.org. This documentation was basically prepared because the current documentation that we have was pretty old and did not have all the updates. During the internship period, Zotero released its new version, Zotero 5.0. So this documentation has all the updates, how to develop on Docker and how to do development through translation server, because for Citoid, it is very important that a translator runs on translation server, whereas the previously available documentations only explain how to develop through Scaffold, which is an integrated development environment provided by Zotero community. So the documentation for the first time has how to test and write and check the code on the translation server. Further, we have how these translators can be deployed and how to get them merged first in the Zotero community and then in the Wikimedia mirror of Zotero. And most of the translators that we have as of now cover English language, and not much coverage is not available for other languages. So it will be great if people make use of this documentation, develop translators, and expand the coverage of the content that we have. So yeah, thank you.